How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and welcome to an episode of SpeedTech SpotLight. In this episode, I wanted to go over the slow and fast function on our direct control box. So for example here, I brought our Striker 6 traffic advisor paired with our optional direct control. Now on your direct control box you have your power button, and you'll see my unit is in warning mode, and then you also have your traffic advising functions as well with your center out, left right, and right left. Now in both of those modes you have your slow and fast switch here. So right now I'm in slow mode, so I can switch it over to fast, and you'll see my pattern will go a little bit faster than the slow mode, and that works while you're in your traffic advisor or while you're in your warning mode as well. So you'll see you can easily swap between your slow and fast function with the slide switch there on our direct control. And again, this is our Striker 6 traffic advisor, and we offer this unit in amber, red, blue, green, and clear, in solid, half-half, and alternating color combinations. Now moving over here, I have another one of our traffic advisors. This is our MultiColor Virtue 8, again paired with our optional direct control. Now again, you have your slow and fast switch here, so I'll go ahead and power my unit on. Now I have this unit set in a Knight Rider style pattern for the warning mode, and then I can easily swap between my warning mode and my traffic advisor, and then in either of those modes you can use your slow and fast switch here to go between your slow or faster style flash patterns there. And again, that's in traffic advisor, and then I can go back to warning to speed up the pattern there, or I can go back to slow mode. So you'll see you can easily use that switch to swap between your unit going slow or fast. And again, this is our MultiColor Virtue 8, and we offer this unit in amber, red, blue, green, and clear in multicolor. Now check out the full product demos on all of our product pages, and also use our interactive players to see exactly what you're getting before you buy. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.